Hey YouTube, DevDogRuby here. I was sitting around recently when someone asked me to download a game called Family Style. I love the game Overcooked, so I was stoked to find a new co-op cooking game. I got my phone ready, had some friends come over to play, we started the game, and it was super buggy. Food was disappearing, and somehow one person was getting everything. Dishes couldn't be turned in since no one was getting the ingredients it required. I'll admit, I'm not the smartest, but I know when something isn't working, and I was pretty muffed about it. And I know it was made by a very talented group of students for a hackathon type thing and then turned into a Kickstarter. And I'm not trying to dunk on them. It is super cool and awesome that they got something that is this visually polished, and I think they recently released an update. But still, I was like, gonna make my own Family Style with blackjack. So I got started. This will take what? Like a day, maybe two? Let's lay out some requirements. 1. Don't need to download an app. That means Unity WebGL, Three.js, Godot, something like that. And 2, you can cross-play between any device, so phone, laptop, tablet. 3, it should scale with the number of people you want to play with. Let's talk about what I'm planning. Imagine it like a large circular table with everyone at their own station. On your screen, you can see your station, but your friend's station are just out of your view. You can pass food to the right or to the left, and it will go to the person on your left or your right. So, you all need to work together as a team and make as many dishes as you can in the time limit. So let's get started. I've decided to create a proof of concept in Unity because, why not? Everyone loves Unity. I've written my own game engine before, and I'll be honest, it was kind of sort of really bad. And I'll also admit I haven't used C# that much, or Unity. But after all, how hard could it be? Step 1, let's get an ingredient in there. Maybe like an orange. Yeah, an orange is an ingredient. You could make some juice from it. So we can set up our scene with a long table and with a portal at either end, except our portal doesn't have to do any complicated camera stuff since we can't see it. It just has to move objects from one end of the table to the other. Brackley's and Sebastian have both made tutorials that cover how to make a portal in Unity, so we'll just kind of yoink that and plop it in here. So let's see what we've got. We've got the table, the orange, the camera, the portals. So let's start the game and... Well, that's not really what I had in mind. I think I'll call it here and go on a walk. So now that I'm back from the walk, I've done a bit of research. According to the internet, I need to do one simple thing. It's something called psychics, fish kicks, something like that. Anyway, so I click this little box, and now the fish are kicking. Now orange no go through table. Haha. Step 2. Next, I need to modify so you can interact with the fruit. Since the fruit are rigid bodies, we can just apply some little fish kicks and get it where we want. Something raycast, Unity particle system, bam, now it works. Let's make sure it can go all the way around the map if we did the portals right. We did not do the portals right. Let's try again. Cool. Mission accomplished. That looks a lot better. I think I'll put a pause here and come back to the drawing board. There's still a lot to be decided, like almost everything about this game. How do you work together as a team? How are ingredients given to players? Do you have to chop or prepare ingredients? All things to play around with in future videos. If you have suggestions or ideas about what to do in the game, drop in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Unless you're mean, then I'll pretend I can't hear. Anyway, so you might be wondering, what is this channel? Why is there a dog? Well, it's DevDogRuby. About a dog named Ruby, who is a dev. Now that's cleared up, this channel is a devlog or devblog, however you want to say it. There's some amazing channels out there like Randall, DevDuck, Pontypants, Danny, and of course Code Adventures. I highly recommend you check them out. Pontypants in particular encouraged me to start this YouTube channel. There's only one problem. There's not enough of these channels, so I'm joining them. I'll be posting devlogs every 3 weeks, though we'll see if we can stick to that. I also have a Patreon. Any funds from Patreons will be spent solely on these videos and dog toys. So contributing means more videos faster as well as better equipments. Also, Patreons get Patreon-only benefits. Not sure what they are yet, but those benefits are going to be good. Real good. In addition, all the code made in the devlogs will be open source once the project is completed, unless specified otherwise, so you can take a look and see for yourself how the code works and how it all came together. I have several projects planned, ranging from indie games, Minecraft mods, rover builds, and a few machine learning demos. Each project will be broken up into parts. I think I'm legally required to remind you to like and subscribe. Or not. I haven't liked a video on YouTube in like 3 years. You do you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.